Today is the day that you learn how to French braid. Take 3 little sections of hair from the front. You're going to take the back section, cross it over the middle, and then the front section and cross it over the middle. I like to keep the hair sectioned and separated by putting it in between my fingers. So again, we're going to take the back section, cross it over the middle, and then the front section, cross it over the middle. We're going to pick up a little bit of hair every time and add it to the back, and then when we do the front, we're going to add it to the front. Now, the best part about this is that it does not need to be perfect. In fact, you can make it as messy as you'd like. It adds volume to the hair. My little trick is to make sure that you section off the back where you want it to stop so that you don't end up taking too much from the back. See here, I know exactly how much I have left, so I'm just going to go ahead and add that whole section to the front and add whatever is left to the back. You can always practice on a doll, but really it's just the repetitive motion. Take hair from the back, add it to the middle, cross it over. Take hair from the front, add it to the middle, cross it over. And then when you get to the end, you're no longer adding more hair. We're just going to braid traditionally, separating the hair by our fingers. I love doing this hairstyle because it truly keeps the hair out of your little's eyes, which honestly is the biggest reason why we even do her hair. We want to make sure that she can see the world and the world can see her. Here's a glance of what it looks like at the end. Just have fun with it.